Hello and welcome. In this video I'll show you how you can use the Find My iPhone feature on your iPhone 16e. So all you have to do is to just go to settings, press on your account tab and press on Find My. And now you have the Find My right here, and you have to just enable it. And now when you, for example, you will lose your phone or it gets stolen, you will be able to, from the Apple website, if you type in Find My iPhone Apple website in your browser, you will be able to log in and see the location of your phone. And as you can see, you have the last location. So if the battery gets drained, it will send the last known location to the website, and it will be easier to find it or someone who has stolen it and things like that. So if you enjoyed this video and considered it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.